Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lid's Kitchen. Today we are preparing a spaghetti, and it's not like any other spaghetti. This is the African spaghetti sauce, guys. Yes. Now, when we do our spaghetti sauce, we put mostly like any other sauce we do, we put all kind of meat in it. Now, this one almost like every other sauce. So, with that said, I'm going to turn this stove on right now and I'm going to show you my ingredients. I have here, of course, some bacon. Yes, bacon. We are going to put the bacon in and cook the bacon well done before we do anything else. Next, we are going to have beef, and it's ground beef, of course. So we are using ground beef along with our bacon. First, we have to cook the bacon. All right. Now, the seasoning we're going to be using is going to be oregano, seasoned salt, black pepper, thyme leaf, parsley, and of course, garlic, yellow onions, garlic powder, and also some salt. All right, I will show you as I add them in. Also, I'm also going to be putting in some tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and of course, pasta sauce. Now, the pasta sauce is just a regular pasta sauce. You can use a traditional one. That's fine. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. All right? All right. I'm going to add in the bacon in here. That's the bacon. Yep. So we're going to let the bacon cook. And we want the bacon to be well done. Bacon has to be well done. So bacon's going to cook. So while the bacon is cooking, I'm going to add in my ground beef. Just put the ground beef in there. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. So I'm doing the seasoned salt, garlic powder, seasoned salt, and also putting in some black pepper. Of course, I'm also adding on here this garlic powder. sure your bacon is cooked. Um, the ground beef is also cooking. All right, I'm adding the onion and the garlic blend. So this is onions and garlic blend. So the onion and the garlic is going to cook in with your meats and your bacon, because you want that to be cook real good before we add in our sauce. Okay. I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. I'm also adding in my diced tomato. This is diced tomato. This comes in a can, so you can get any can diced tomato, okay? Now I'm also adding in, of course, this is my sauce. Just a regular traditional spaghetti sauce. Regular traditional spaghetti sauce. Nothing extra. You don't want to. You can get, if you want Any other chunky, crunch, garden, whatever spaghetti sauce you would prefer, you can use them. This is just regular. Don't have to be a name brand. Any regular one that you have would do. I'm also lowering. Make sure you lower your heat because you want your sauce to marinate. You want it to cook and you want so that the taste is into the sauce. All right, all your flavor gonna be in there as long as you cook it on heat and don't rush the process. I'm putting in the rest of my onions and the garlic blend. I'm putting that in. So I'm going to add in here a little bit of seasoning salt. Thyme leaf, I'm putting that in there. A little bit of thyme leaf. And this is the, of course, the one in the jar, okay? All right, and I'm going to add in, of course, some parsley. All right, so keep it on low heat. All right, so this is our final. After you let it cook for 30 minutes, come back, give it a stir. Again, make sure there's nothing at the bottom. And yes, I'm still not done. I'm going to add, of course, a little bit of chili powder, okay, y'all? Just chili powder, just some chili powder. And I'm also going to be adding some bay leaf. That's it, just bay leaf. And we are all done. And mix it in there. Okay, this is it. This is it. Now, took a little bit more time, but yes, you want to make sure you are not cooking too fast because you want your sauce to taste just right. You have to cook it on a low heat to get that taste. The faster you cook it, it's going to taste different. The slower you cook it, it's going to taste better. All right, so this is our spaghetti sauce. I'm going to get me some spaghetti, and I will see you back on the table. All right, so here we go. The spaghetti with my African spaghetti sauce. As you can see. Ooh, look at that. Just look at the sauce. All right, and of course, the bay leaf, of course. And look. All right, let's try this, okay? And I'll let you know. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. You gotta try this at home, y'all. You gotta definitely try this. And you're gonna love it. Woo. Look at it. Mm. 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 Delicious. Very nice. Seasoning is very good. And yeah, try this at home. And please subscribe to my video. And I will be seeing you next time. All right? Thanks for watching.